How many servings of vegetables do you consume on a daily basis? This isn't an interrogation, but a simple inquiry into your daily eating habits. The recommended daily intake of vegetables varies, but generally experts suggest between 5 and 9 servings. Now that's a lot of veggies. With our bustling lives, hitting that mark can feel like a marathon. Between work, family, and the unexpected, it's all too easy for our leafy green friends to be left by the wayside. But imagine if there was a shortcut, a way to get all those vital nutrients without the fuss of preparation. That's where the concept of superfood drinks enters the scene. These nutrient-dense concoctions promise a quick and convenient solution to the vegetable conundrum. They're like having a compact, portable garden right at your fingertips. So let's pose the question again. What if there was a convenient way to get all your daily vegetable needs in one go? Enter the world of superfood drinks, your daily vegetable needs in a glass. In the bustling whirl of our daily lives, finding time to prepare and consume the recommended daily servings of vegetables can feel like a Herculean task. This is where superfood drinks step in, offering a convenient, nutrient-packed solution. But what exactly are these vibrant concoctions? Superfood drinks are essentially beverages brimming with nutrient-dense foods, often derived from fruits, vegetables, and other health-boosting ingredients. These drinks are typically rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing a concentrated dose of nutrients in each sip. Imagine consuming a handful of various superfoods such as kale, spinach, chia seeds, and blueberries all in one go. Sounds like a mouthful, doesn't it? Well, that's the beauty of superfood drinks. They compact all these nutrient powerhouses into a single, easy-to-consume beverage. But let's clear one thing up. While these drinks are undeniably packed with goodness, they are not designed to replace whole foods in your diet. Consider them as an addition to your balanced diet, a supplement that helps bridge the gap between what your body needs and what your daily meals provide. Think of superfood drinks as your nutritional insurance policy. You still need to eat a variety of foods to get a full spectrum of nutrients. But on those days when your vegetable intake is low or lacking, a superfood drink can help ensure that your body still receives a wealth of essential nutrients. But not all superfood drinks are created equal. The quality and nutrient content can vary greatly, depending on the brand and the ingredients used. It's crucial to choose a product that uses high-quality natural ingredients and avoids artificial additives and sweeteners. So, that's your crash course on superfood drinks. A convenient, nutrient-dense solution to help you meet your daily vegetable needs and supplement a balanced diet. Now, let's delve into the benefits of these superfood powerhouses. A daily glass of superfood drink brings a plethora of health benefits. Imagine waking up each morning filled with energy and vitality, ready to face the day ahead with unwavering focus and clarity. This may sound like a dream, but with daily superfood drinks, it can be your reality. One of the remarkable advantages of superfood drinks is their ability to boost your immune system. Packed with antioxidants, these drinks can help your body fight off harmful free radicals, keeping you healthy and vibrant. But that's not all. Improved digestion is another fantastic benefit. These drinks are rich in dietary fiber, promoting a healthy gut microbiome and ensuring smooth digestion. No more bloating, no more discomfort, just a happy, healthy gut. Ever felt sluggish or fatigued during the day? Well, superfood drinks can be your secret weapon. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients that can provide you with a natural energy boost. Say goodbye to mid-afternoon crashes and hello to sustained energy levels all day long. Not to mention, these nutrient-dense drinks enhance your body's ability to absorb nutrients from the food you eat. This means every bite you take is more beneficial, nourishing your body from the inside out. Now let's talk about weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is a struggle for many, but superfood drinks can offer a helping hand. They are low in calories, yet high in nutrients, making them a perfect addition to any weight management plan. They can help curb cravings, keep you feeling full, and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Perhaps the most significant benefit of all is disease prevention. Regular consumption of superfood drinks can help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. They contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, contributing to overall health and well-being. But not all superfood drinks are created equal. It's essential to choose a high-quality product that delivers these benefits and more. And we have just the thing for you. Stay tuned as we introduce you to Greens Blend Superfood by Amazing Grass, your daily dose of wellness in a glass. Among the sea of options, Greens Blend Superfood by Amazing Grass stands out. This is not just a statement, it's a testament to the commitment Amazing Grass has made to bring you the best of nature's bounty in a single, easy-to-consume blend. Greens Blend Superfood is a symphony of all natural ingredients, each playing its part to enhance your health and vitality. From the revitalizing wheatgrass to the nutrient-rich spirulina, each ingredient is carefully selected and sourced to ensure you're getting the maximum benefits. In fact, one serving of this superfood blend is equivalent to the nutrients from several servings of vegetables. But why stop at vegetables? Greens Blend Superfood goes the extra mile with an impressive lineup of health-boosting superfoods. Chia seeds for your omega-3 needs, beetroot for a natural detox, and even acai berries, known for their powerful antioxidant properties. It's not just about meeting your daily vegetable requirements, it's about exceeding them and infusing your body with a wealth of nutrients. Positive user reviews are the lifeblood of any product, and Greens Blend Superfood is no exception. Users rave about its natural taste, its easy mixability, and most importantly, how it makes them feel. More energy, better digestion, even improved skin health. These are just a few of the benefits users have reported. One of the standout features of Greens Blend Superfood is its versatility. Whether you prefer it in your morning smoothie, as a midday pick-me-up, or even as a post-workout recovery drink, it seamlessly fits into your daily routine. And let's not forget convenience. In our busy, fast-paced lives, getting the recommended servings of vegetables can seem like an insurmountable task. Greens Blend Superfood simplifies it. One scoop, one glass of water, and you're set. It's a small step, but a mighty one towards a healthier you. So if you're looking to enhance your health, meet your daily vegetable requirements, or just add a boost of nutrients to your day, Greens Blend Superfood is a worthy contender. A daily glass of Greens Blend Superfood can bring you closer to achieving your health goals. You're one step away from a healthier lifestyle. Consider this: a simple scoop of Greens Blend Superfood by Amazing Grass into your morning smoothie, your midday water bottle, or your evening tea. A small act of self-care that could reap immense benefits. Not only would you be meeting or even exceeding your daily recommended intake of vegetables, but you could also be opening the door to a wealth of potential health benefits. Imagine a world where your energy levels are soaring, your immune system is fortified, and your overall well-being is enhanced. That's the world that Greens Blend Superfood by Amazing Grass could help create. It's not a magic potion, but rather a convenient, scientifically formulated blend of nature's most potent superfoods. Now, we've painted quite the picture for you today. We've delved into the daily veggie question, uncovered the world of superfood drinks, and introduced you to the potential benefits of integrating Greens Blend Superfood by Amazing Grass into your routine. But the journey doesn't stop here. We're on a mission to share health-related content that can empower you to make informed decisions about your well-being, and we want you to join us. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's embark on this health journey together. Remember, the journey to better health starts with a single sip. So why not make that sip a superfood drink?